Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Twitch account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to click Settings. Then go to Security and Privacy. And then scroll down under Security. Right here next to Password, you want to click Change Password. And then it will ask you to type in your current password. Click Verify. And then it will ask you to verify your account. So the email should be titled Your Twitch Login Verification Code, and it should come from account@twitch.tv. And here you can copy the code and paste it into the window. And then you can type in your old password and your new password and click Change Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Twitch from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, click on Login at the top right. Then you want to click Trouble Logging In. And then it will ask you to type in your phone number. But if you didn't link your phone number, you can click here, use email instead. And then you can also enter in your email address and click Continue. And then you want to enter in your username. If you don't know your username, you can click I don't know my username, and you will get an email from Twitch with your username in it. And then you want to click Send My Password Reset link. And then it will tell you to go and check your email for a password reset link. So the email should be titled Your Twitch Password, and it should come from account@twitch.tv. And you can go here and click Reset Your Password in the email. And then you can go ahead and type in your new password and confirm it and click Set Password. If you can't find your account information, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to this site here, twitch.tv/help. It's on your screen now and it will be in the description as well. And you want to fill out this Contact Us support form. So you want to enter in all the details here. You don't need to log in, that's optional. And for email address to send a response to, you should use the email address that was previously linked to your account for the best case. And under category, you should choose account/login issues. And under subcategory, you should choose login. And under detail category, you should choose my account has been hacked or stolen without changes. And you can read this article if you want to, but scroll all the way down here, and under subject you would put something like my account was hacked, and for description you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. So it's right here. And then you want to also fill out these other bits of information about your account. Your current IP should already be set. If you don't use a VPN, you should try to fill out this support form using the IP address you usually log in with your Twitch account with. And also if you use Twitch Prime, you can also put the invoice ID or payment number for your subscription. And once you go ahead and fill out this entire form, you can complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit Case and wait for a response from Twitch support. Here are some tips on securing your Twitch account. Secure your email. Verify that the email and/or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere, and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer free account recovery help to assist you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we also provide multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We will never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.